Okay, we're gonna put $20 into this big prize bubblegum bonus toys, something or another. And this one's a little different, but it can be pretty fun. It's almost like you're playing a gumball machine where you can get some extra. Okay, so we got that, which wasn't a bunch of anything really. Aw, smiley princess. Didn't really help. So hey, we got $1.60 back on that one. Uh-oh. Something went crazy. Oh hey, we got $4 random extra. Surprise, surprise. Okay, so we're back 80 cents ahead if we quit now, but let's play a little more. Okay. Nothing. Some speckle balls. 30 cents worth of speckle balls. Oh, we got one bonus game, but I guess what's that? One spin or something? Oh, so I guess we got one extra spin there with the one spin going into the thing. I guess. Not 100% sure, but seems like that's what happened. I know there's like some little prize container balls, like little toys you get out of a vending machine. So maybe we'll get one of those. Oh, see, there's a yo-yo, but we didn't get the yo-yo. I think we have to get the yo-yo plus something else. See, there's that little dude. Oh, 5 cents. Toy capsules unlocked. Okay, so we can also get a toy, but we did not. We got some lightning. No, nothing. Nothing. Oh, we get the toy? Okay. We got a snake for 50 cents. Okay. Oh, pop scared the crap out of me. Okay, so we'll keep going. I think that was I don't think there's any more complicated bonus, but I could be wrong. There was a game that said, there was a toy capsule that said bonus, so there might be that bonus. I don't know. Oh, $1.20. No sense. It looked like it was going to start a bunch of 10s, but it didn't do anything. 10 whole cents. Oh, see, there was one that said bonus game in that one that just went by. Got some smiley face for 50 cents. Some knives as a case for 20 whole cents. Oh, 60 cents. Oh, see, there was a yo-yo. Oh, $1.50. Nothing. More nothing. Third helping of nothing. Fourth helping of nothing. Okay, now we need all these up here. Bonus game toy, that'd be great. Ah, boo. Well, what happened? Uh-oh. Oh, bonus game. Okay. Pick until you pop. Are we gonna pop them right away? This one the popper? That one's the popper? That one's the popper. Oh, got a yo-yo. What about about this one over here? Or that one? Or this one? This one. Oh my god. And this one? Oh my god. We suck. Wow, we really screwed the pooch on that one. So, oh, dang, that scared me again. Let's just play out the $20. That was so bad picking. It was terrible. So disappointed in myself, even though I had no control over it. I mean, I had control over it, but even though I couldn't possibly know what was where. Oh, I thought those lightning balls were going to be there. Nothing. Got about 4 spins to go. Oh, yeah, 4 spins at this point. Nothing. Uh-oh. This might be the last spin. Oh, no, we got saved just a hair. Oh, saved just a hair again. Last spin this time. Okay, well, we had fun. That was interesting. I picked really terribly, but anyway, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Take our big 5 cents and run.